Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today, in this video, I will show you how to add extensions in Google Chrome. If you find the video useful, please do like and subscribe. Let's move to my laptop screen. The first thing you need to do is open the Chrome browser and type Chrome extensions in the search bar. Then, go ahead and click on the first site, Google Web Store, and click on Extensions. You can see the different categories of extensions here, but if the extension you want to add is not showing, you can search for its name at the top. I am going to add Super Dark Mode extension, so I am typing the name of this extension here. Now, select the extension which you want to add, and then click on the Add to Chrome button on the right side. Again, click on the Add Extension option. Now, to confirm whether your extension has been added or not, click on the extension symbol in the top right corner, and you can see that the new extension has been added successfully. Alright, friends. Now you should know some settings to manage your extension. The first setting you need to know is how to pin the extension to the top, just like this. To pin your extensions at the top, click on the extension symbol and then click on this pin symbol to pin this extension. You can see the new pinned extension is showing beside the extension symbol. Now, the second thing you need to know is how to remove these added extensions from your browser. To do this, click on this gear icon to manage extensions, and now you see that all added extensions are showing here. You can also turn the extension on and off from here. If you no longer need the extension, click on the Remove button. Now, if you want to report the extension, click on this box icon. However, I do not want to report it. After that, click on the Remove button again. Now you can see that the removed extension is not showing anywhere. This is how you can add or remove extensions from Google Chrome. Now, do one more thing, please. Like the video and subscribe to the channel, which will always motivate me to make such helpful videos for you forever.